Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I'm heading to work to go teach an inspection course here at the college. And I was just wondering, I know the midterm election is coming up. And you notice that President Biden is trying to get a lot of stuff done, trying to do this student loan forgiveness. But if you look at that student loan forgiveness, if I can recall off the top of my head, if you make $125,000, you do not get exempt from nothing. They don't forgive you for anything. So, but if you make under $125,000 and you did not get a Pell Grant, they will only forgive $10,000. And if you got a Pell Grant while you was in college or going to school, they will forgive $20,000. So I don't think that's fair. In order to get a Pell Grant, you have to qualify for it. It means your parents, they're making a little over 100 or maybe 100 and something $1,000, you would not be able to get a Pell Grant. So if you did not get a Pell Grant, you get penalized, and they're only going to forgive up to $10,000. And me and my daughter was discussing this, and she was very upset about that. She said it's not fair, and it's not fair. I don't think it's fair. If you guys think it's fair, you can put it in the comments below. But this student loan forgiveness, I think they're trying to rush and get something through to get more votes for the midterm election. And these gas prices, yeah, they're going down a little bit, but soon after the election, it's going to skyrocket up again. Also, this border crossing, they ain't got control of this border thing. Over 2 million people have come across the border. That's not including, I think, maybe another 900,000 that got across without being detected. So you're looking at almost 3 million people have come in across the border. I'm glad I don't stay right next to the border, because that would be a problem. That'd be dangerous. People get desperate when they start coming across, when they get hungry or need somewhere to stay. They see the first house, and you got 20, 30 people swarming your house. It's going to be a problem. But you guys tell me what you think about these political things, what's going on, the gas prices, Biden trying to give the student loan forgiveness. He's trying to fulfill some of the stuff that he promised that he was going to do. So he's trying to get this done before the midterm elections. But anyway, I'm going to have to head on to the school and get in here and teach this course. And thanks for watching, and leave comments and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.